Understanding the phrase, a tough call. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, a tough call. We'll explore its meaning, usage, and some examples to help you understand how to use this phrase effectively in your conversations. A tough call is an idiomatic expression used to describe a decision that is difficult to make. This difficulty usually arises because the options are equally appealing or unappealing, or because the decision has significant consequences. The phrase emphasizes the challenge and complexity involved in making a particular choice. While the exact origin of a tough call is unclear, it's believed to have roots in sports, particularly in games like baseball or football, where referees make calls or decisions. When a decision is very close and hard to make, it's referred to as a tough call. This sports term gradually transitioned into everyday language to describe any challenging decision. 1. Choosing a career path. Deciding whether to take a job offer or pursue further studies was a tough call for Sarah. 2. Personal decisions. Choosing between two equally good universities was a tough call for him. 3. Professional scenarios. The manager faced a tough call when deciding which project to prioritize with limited resources. These examples illustrate how a tough call can apply to various scenarios where decision-making is challenging. There are several synonyms or similar phrases you can use. A hard decision, a difficult choice, between a rock and a hard place, on the horns of a dilemma. Using these synonyms can add variety to your speech or writing. We hope this explanation helps clarify the meaning and use of the phrase, a tough call. Remember, it's all about describing those challenging decisions we all face at times. Happy learning, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.